kanamite tuni ni simsom ni leko April 2026 jingkala ma patchun tangkul milong song ko hon ama ho langa kuna akikap tu nau video ho social media dunga hinta langovin aum dan hi khowa ke ya kikapwa jingka khu hongwa zowa wangchu chomkhat ki cholwa pungsi zolanga pana hi kipan kiddan chu a hi na hi Sangim nei langa chun khowa ding kon lai ta akikap tu pet lai ta uchun security force on flare gun and kabuvin hise pet ta ayong chun mu thein akikap tu na ho chu ana umin hi
guys cuy flare gun cái mũ bông Jing này ăn cọp đá là sao
sun kimlanga chun chomkhat se chu ani kikap ki duvin NSCNEF Eastern Flank ho kibusat na bu ti diham inchu eho VV hon ana halha pi uvin hi
chui ai em ho pansa na sagop zongono ai ki hal e ja lang ki hal tin kang ka ban hal do na lai mulam da song phalang em bo song bor ji no he tu chunga em bo ka la no zla pansa ve era tangkul hu chu nong hoi ke tu bangam ne mathang chat tha ge ni khoi su ai em ge leifam kem khuding mak la baro langa ka ge gep du no ani ke the do ai tai hapan sa lo su kan ha lo ve ban banan ka re tai ai ti ha era
tuni chun tangkun songko milong ho chun mulchung lomun khatna panmun akisim na ujong mu thein hen ta do ki duvin chiteng le petroleum achi na ho mun phar jong an ta do win hilai mu na hi phat chom khat chu pan sargodana uma hi vin hi
to pangal tree tao ra được rồi
이제 그물 성지라 심공 그물 성라 레심 랑 타이바지 그물 마탕바지 그물 마탕바지 또 이봐요 상리 뭐 나가버리 귀락서 이봐요 쇼서 이봐요
우리 갑자기 그래요 조금 더 ಬೇಕು 저 copterเลยใช่ไหมได้Kabliku. Dehtolpu. Hello. Để thằng cặp ok. Chưa. 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 Sabi. Này mà nó bỏ được cái này. Sabi mungkin ni ka buaya sih. Good morning gue Dibi. Chehcheh.
Good morning.
Good morning gue sedih. Comment morning jawab di Dibi.
Lagi mau santai rati ke bed night saya bed siduk pasal.
Bed night खुशी कुछ.
Jabo, kene खुशी से दे.
हाँ खुशी से कुछ. Ya jabo kan. Itu sabi. Mukan laga security itu sabule tu man huru huli bisi danger time bi. Nenga. Itu tu bisi dangon sab frustration ni. Ki kura se sathi. Ala Michael order break up kuchu se. Supra mondok ke buye ke hai na.
Malah bunduk SD lah tak thodi boleh itu. Aji di rat put na homai kena buhi aje tu siduk se.
Sase. Nijo safety karne kuribo lage na. Bisi bhal dikhe te. Ai. Pani diye te gide. Ek tawla tu duty kore se tu. Abi poila laga. आम से इतना तक भी ऐसे सब
कितने गोले थे
सरकार तीन आदमी है ना
3 आदमी है टांग टांग टांग
हाँ सभी itu mau lawas hati ada
Tangkul songko milong ho hi ama ho ka ki boina ani ho zo si hi tu chana hi asu thap lo la yo hi NSNIM hon Eastern Flank EF4 mili athana thu zong hi I ho to hitia ki boi ji wa hi tu ge ya hi amo po apang UNC in alone ji head lubu hitia I ho to ikigalwa ikikap tu lai se wa hi athu hi amiten asu milna di wa hi I ho langa hi athalongu anganu hi in hichi lamkai pha lungthim ki chim anei ji o hi ti chu ahi mai jingin alangkhana tuni chun Kuki Women Union le Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights to won na nuin Kuki zo te chen mun zo se chun mulang songphel kho a firing a Tahchapa mini ki thana thu a justice muna dingle justice truth and accountability in embracing audio tape case ti thupi mangchan mun tina chun sidin protest le kipinna rally and umin hi Hitia rally ki bolchu a concern di si koma India Prime Minister pa address ki bol na in memorandum jong ana pilut uben hi tuni hitia nupi hon rally a bol na wa ki pom ta khachu national media hon jong rally ki chi na hi ana ta lang uben muntina mudingin angum do thei ta na hi
the former CM N. Biren Singh audio tape case, and the second one is an armed attack against the Kuki Zo villages, which is in Mulam and Songkhal villages.
Can you tell me something about the protest?
The protest
the process
location.
of the location. When did you start? And then
Well, the protest had started off from a location of Koite ground and marching from the Koite ground towards the Wall of Remembrance. Many women, youths, men, section of the Kuki Zo community had participated in this peace rally today.
Start.
And this peace rally is not only held in the district of Chehcheh, but other inhabited of Kuki Zo areas like Dehtolpu, Chandil and Kuki district. Exactly today, the peace rally has been held in all those parts of the districts in Manipur. And in today's rally, we also demand a few points from the central government. That is, to direct a time-bound investigation into the NPRNC audio case, which is under the Honorable Supreme Court. And we also want the Supreme Court to entrust to an independent agency, which is CBI, and then forward it to the Supreme Court so that there would be a time-bound investigation as well as we get the result out of it within a fixed time. And secondly, we also requested to ensure swift criminal prosecution of all people who had participated, irrespective of the positions or political affiliations, who are found to have abetted, conspired in finance and also introduced ethnic conflicts, which has been unleashed in the year 2023, May 3rd May. And also we have also asked to direct a national investigation agency (NIA) to take up the investigation on the armed attack of Mulam and Songkhal villages, which was on the 24th of April 2026. Identify the perpetrator and the chain of command and bring them to justice without delay. And we also demand that the central government must sanction immediate ex gratia reliefs and rehabilitation to the victims of those families who were killed, and to the injured, and to those whose homes have been destroyed in Mulam and Songkhal villages. And we also ask the central government to augment the deployment of central armed police forces in the foothill of Kuki Zo inhabited areas and buffer areas of the Kuki Zo districts of Chehcheh, Chandil, Kuki and Dehtolpu. And we also demand to initiate a structural political dialogue with the legitimate representative of the Kuki Zo people, including Kuki Inpi Manipur, Kuki Zo Council and the elected MLAs, to deliver a durable political solutions to secure the life of the people, land, identities and constitutional rights of our Kuki Zo community. Those are a few demands which I would like to highlight today.
Dunia namnam kai nu pihon hitia to ogon aneiwa national media dunga ithu ho seithia ho kipa di set na chu Jing tarik som thumni ahi Manipur Chief Minister lui Dehtolpa Biren Singh hi thatme ya kona gal ibol khumu eina bol khumu nam khat tha chimit na dinga to gon hen nei na ho akeho na ho audio tape lik thua Supreme Court nin achung thu asai kidding ahitan hechijia hi kumthumlang gal inei no ngwahi wanoyin hechi brain thu an het jong athu ahung thadai tan milung thima jong mangam chu ahitan hechi khel tia namlam kai no pihon hechi hen thlen do hi ki paum di set jeng en hi Dehtolpu audio tape lik thu mo mong hi the wire 10 athu ahin ta lang zo wa pana hi pu Benjamin Mate Makaina Noya Kuki Organization for Human Rights Stand Tunuge hi ahin boy pijing wachu ahin amasa pena hi February 3rd 2025 ani ne ahi April 2025 athum chan ahi May 5 2025 ali channa hi August 28 2025 anga channa hi August 4 2025 August 25 2025 hi achai na a court kai na chu a hitan hi chi ke he na umsunga hi Supreme Court na Chief Justice song thumvei ki hel man chu a hi kitan ahin tugia hi athu hi achien achai umlowa tugia hi umna la hi in ipi hi le he chi chungchanga phate he chen na livin pu Benjamin Mate chairman Kuki Organization for Human Rights Hoblimna ananga yo hitin tunia dingin he chan hi sa utin he chan hin chaita hi tiwe
birin audio tape chu news follow na bol ho chune het chi chu ke de ol ama sepina chu chi audio tape ki ma chu justice ajay lamba commission koma e ho ni pi masang wi na ma koma ang chun min complain na bolin ai chu audio tape record bo on ai le mun tin gam tin chu hoi la ya i chi pursue ki bol ama sepina hi chi audio tape chung chang hi ano sa ka se Meghalaya 2024 as Kuki in B assembly achun ani ki sei kom chi in bin chi he te ale chi wang hi mom sa po tin case bo tin la bolo te ti pa ani ki sei ai sunga chun sunga ki lo na chu Kuki Organization for Human Rights in chi in take up le ki long pin de ta chu ki hongan sina in B assembly jun in bi o hi chi ni pi o to hana chu delhi aga ki chia justice lab ajay lamba commission ng ki mo pi chung le dang agent government in Supreme Court appoint a ball ko man le kha ki thole din ai the la chi audio tape link ro min ai chi he the la chi chung chang hi investigate nei bo pi win la action ni la pi win ta hi ai chi commission Supreme Court in appoint a ball commission na hin abana Minister of Home Affairs in ko appoint a ball Manipur boy na to ki to a commission appoint a ball ji ko ma le kha ki thole koi ma chan initiative la ta po ichian la lo phatwa so hei tia la Supreme Court chi de ta Supreme Court chi o hin ala Supreme Court chi na wa chung Supreme Court hi chi case chung chang hi judge la alin pin pa Chief Justice pa ko ra ki sei ama noya na so ama futan na noya thu ki sei case so ki tia la mon a fu tia le na tep hin piu chu sim thu ham itabong tep ham itabong audio tep mai ke pon ai tia la chi tep hi ama authentic hi lo pa chu hin prove in lang che palin pilot minati azu Supreme Court ni tan sei dung ju ya chu i hon truth lab kiti India dinga hi forensic lab la amin chi pe ne hen repeated pe azu truth lab ko ma chu audio tape chu verified ki boss ale truth lab report dung ju ya chu 93% diren o hi ti zo mon truth lab report an pe azu Supreme Court ai pi lo do ni ala Supreme Court ai pi lo ro le le chu news a yong min tin do song ti flash ni no de sensational rahi Supreme Court pi lo jo ban wa chu elanga government langa to ai case bolo hui ho hin biren hi lo chu case ki bol pi party who central government to Manipur government to case ki bolo to ai Supreme Court ai na biren audio tape to ai that's so ala Supreme Court in Supreme chi report ki pi zo wa ko na ipiti tam tale a central government le Manipur government ho chun ki hon no he chi tape hi in forensic lab India government forensic lab test ka bol no win e chong test ka bol sa win ichi report no so Supreme Court ni vet pi na ti ai le cha to Supreme Court in ako tia le that ichi ni le hin pilot win ti chuan sain me tarik li ke het khilawa le chun me tarik li zo hin ai le me tarik li chu me tarik li chu hin sunga zo an piu le amon manipulate an bol win o a result pa chu echi audio tape result chu result da lo kan pi chu Supreme Court lo hangin aso ne inimo so ke dem news a Supreme Court ni amon ne hoi hu te go lo de ti chu Supreme Court echi government ukil pa na Attorney General of India to Manipur AG pa ko ma chun khona ne nei ai chi pa chu hin to Supreme Court in amo ko ma chu hi chi audio tape chu a result adi ta pa chu gang tante Supreme Court in pilu unity hin ani na birin ichi audio tape audio tape expose yung mako na chu sunga hi government do na sa ta expose ng na central government do ai chu May 2023 May 3rd me ag boina ki panay Home Minister pan Manipur hong visit chu last week of May ichi last week of May chu to birin in audio tape ba sa ipin are birin tum bom mata he tin pa chu sunga chu Home Minister pan birin in ho chu nga bom ki sana jangin tha chai ding ma chai dei go nge ti chu he ri ichi audio tape expose hong ya ko na chu Home Minister in birin ni ho aum sa he ti chu expose hong hi a chu ichi a chu ho ko na ki ven de nga chu adan nga ko na am ho zoom lo na de nga chu ichi audio tape expose Supreme Court involve ko na chu birin sing chu remove and bodo he ti chu I ho le ni here oi pon India pom pa meeting lo sina se he ti chu a che na kan se